Hello everyone, Derek here from Hooked on Fishing for Real. Frying fish is a delicious and quick way to prepare your fresh daily catch. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how I fry fish to get that golden crispy perfection. So let's talk about choosing the right fish. Now the best fish to use when frying fish would be fish that has a firm white flesh and a mild flavor. Some common varieties of such fish would be like your snapper, grouper, flounder, hogfish, or whiting. After filleting your fish, you want to rinse it off in a light saltwater solution. Then make sure to pat the fillets dry with a paper towel. Now we're going to season our fish. We're going to coat it. So next you want to grab 2 bags of these 2 different types of Louisiana dry fish mix. One being the Louisiana Classic Dry Mix in the orange bag, and the other being the Louisiana Fish Fry Seasoned Dry Mix in the yellow bag. Next you want to take the yellow bag and you want to empty it into a bowl. And then you want to pour 12 to 16 ounces of club soda into the bowl and mix all contents together until you get a nice thick batter with a smooth consistency. Now that we got our batter smooth like we want it, we want to coat our fish. So next guys, you want to grab a gallon Ziploc bag and empty the contents of the classic mix, the one in the orange bag, into the Ziploc bag. Then take your dry patted fillets and drop them into the Ziploc bag and shake, making sure to coat all of the fish evenly. Then take your coated fillets and dunk them into the smooth batter mix, coating evenly. Then you want to drop them right back into the dry mix one more time. Doing this will help to create a crispy crust on that fish. So after that's all done, next we want to heat up our oil. Now I prefer to use avocado oil because of its high smoke point. A high smoke point is considered 400 degrees. So canola oil, corn oil, or peanut oil will also work due to their high smoke point as well. Let's talk about frying the fish now. So next you want to gently place the fish in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. And you want to fry anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes on each side or until the fish is golden brown and cooked through. Next, you want to use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove the fish from the pan and place on a plate lined with a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Your fried fish is now ready to serve. You can serve it with tartar sauce, lemon wedges, or your favorite dipping sauce. Frying fish is an easy and delicious way to prepare your fish for a quick and satisfying meal. With these simple steps, guys, you'll be frying fish like a pro. I hope you all found this video tutorial very helpful, and if you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post new video content. Well folks, that's all I have for you for now. Until next time, peace and enjoy that fish.